let's do a quick walkthrough from installing MODX itself to installing the extension. I won't go deep into the MODX installation details. If you're watching this, you can most likely handle it without any issues, and probably even better than I can. My goal here is to show that the extension truly works out of the box and requires only minimal setup. Alright, MODX is installed. Let's go to the manager, enter your username and password, then close the welcome message. Next, open the package manager. Choose upload a package and install it. You can download the package from our website. There's a 2-week trial with full functionality. You can also purchase the extension directly from us or on Monster Pro. Now, let's go to the system settings. Enable friendly URLs. This is important for proper routing. Then activate the default alt access file by simply moving the dot to the beginning of the file name. Make sure the 2 lines you see on the screen are present in the file and not commented out. They're usually there by default, but it's still worth checking. Also, don't forget to open the extension settings and click Check-in. This unlocks the functionality after installation. Here, you can also choose the default language and enable the languages you want to use on the website. Next, go to the Keys tab and create your first key. Fill in the translations, the group, and the description. Then save. As you can see, it's just a few fields and the key is created. Now, let's integrate this key into a page. For example, we'll wrap the output in an H3 tag, then open our widget. In the widget search field, you can find the key by its content, its description, or the key name itself. Choose the translation language. By default, it's set to auto detect, which is what you'll use most of the time. But if needed, you can also lock it to a specific language. After a couple of small adjustments, click the button Insert and you'll get a ready-to-use key snippet. Let's test the website in different language versions. Everything works correctly. Next, let's do one more integration, the not found error page. For that, we create a separate resource and redirect error handling to it. Then we go back to the manager and create keys for the 404 page as well. Open the resource and repeat the same steps as on the home page. Insert the keys, save, and test. As you can see, if we try to open a language version that isn't enabled in the supported list, we get our error page. Now, let's open that resource directly using the language prefix to see how it behaves in different languages. Everything works correctly. And the final step for today, I'll show how flexibly the module integrates with other packages and solutions in the MODX ecosystem. As an example, let's take one of the most popular packages, MODX, and install it right now. While we're doing the setup, here's an important note. Keys support HTML tags, so you can store not only individual strings, but also entire blocks, parts of pages, articles, and so on. It all depends on your needs. In my own projects, I use this a lot. I store attributes, meta tags, and even complete markup fragments. Right now, you can see an example of the JSON file that the module accepts for import. Let's upload it, preview it, first to make sure everything looks good. Great. The file is read correctly. Confirm the import and let's verify the result. Go to the resource and fill the TV fields using keys. Add the chunk call to the page and take a look. As you can see, everything works properly. And finally, quick demo of the context menu, the floating widget, export, some settings, and the tracking feature. The manager shows when a key was called last, how many times it was used on your site, and exactly where, with the ability to jump straight to the usage location. This is especially useful in large projects. It helps you find dead keys and keep the system clean. That's it for today. This was Gren Digital Studio. If you have any questions, we'll be happy to answer them in our Telegram channel or via the email listed on our website.